Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent Valorant from starting up every time your computer boots up. So if you want to free up some system resources when your computer turns on, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Valorant game client. So just go ahead and open that up. You can also open up Riot Games as well. It doesn't really matter which one you choose to open. And you want to select the profile icon up in the top right corner of the window. Select Settings. And where it says underneath Startup Behavior, open Riot Client on Startup. Riot Client will run in your system tray when your computer starts so your games can update automatically. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that option. And I'm going to close out of here. And that's it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.